Let's review how to attempt and take quizzes in Moodle. Your professor may give it a different name, such as a test or an exam, but they all use the same quiz function, which can be identified by the pink square with a check mark inside. When you click on the quiz, you should read any instructions your professor left for you, as well as any important settings. For example, this quiz has 2 attempts, is limited to 1 hour, and it will take my highest score out of the allowed attempts. To begin, click the Attempt Quiz button. If there's a time limit, it'll warn you before beginning. If you're ready, we can go ahead and click Start Attempt. You'll see that the time limit is in the upper right, above the first question, if we need to double check that. Navigating the quiz is simple. In the top left, you have these boxes representing each question that you could click on to jump to that question. Depending on how your professor set up the quiz, you may only see one question at a time, some of the questions, or perhaps all of the questions on one page. Click Next Page to see more questions if it does show up. Or if there are multiple questions on a page, make sure you scroll down to see all of them. Be aware there can be more than just multiple choice questions. There may be multi-select questions where you can pick more than one answer. There might be matching questions, or even short answer and essay questions. Before submitting your answers, double check you've answered all the questions. When you're ready, hit Finish Attempt at the bottom right after the last question. You can review your answers one final time and hit Return to Attempt if a question is unanswered, or if you've answered all of them, hit Submit All and Finish. You'll be met with the review page where you can see your results, but be aware your professor may limit certain things such as correct answers or even your total score until a set date and time. Good luck on your quizzes, and thank you for watching.